So today I'm going to get started on how to use the built-in speech recognition on the MacBook. So the instructions that were given on how to do it was a little different to mine. I believe my MacBook's a little out of date, but let me go ahead and get started by going to the Apple in the top left-hand corner. I go to System Preferences, Accessibility, and then I have dictation right here, and this is what I have to click, and I can click open dictation preferences. I already have it on and I can turn it off. And then also there's a shortcut key on how you want it to present itself. So I chose press left command key twice. So let's get started on my favorite vacation spot. Once I click the command key twice, it'll automatically come up. My favorite vacation spot was when I went to the Amazon rainforest in Peru, period. It was not only a vacation, but I also got to work in a classroom of 1st through 5th graders in the middle of the jungle, period. However, I still had the opportunity to adventure through the jungle where I saw a lot of wildlife and crazy things I have never seen before, period. I also spent multiple hours in a boat and swimming in the Las Piedras River, period. The food was also amazing because a lot of it came from the jungle and more. So it stopped here, but I can restart it again by just clicking the command key twice. And it was prepared by an amazing chef who also lived in the jungle, period. So this is my paragraph on my favorite vacation spot, and this was really quick to read, and I see where it would be great for a student to get their thoughts out. It's much easier than writing and much quicker. So